Let's see if we can get a quick video out of the way. This is the Mercane WideWheel Pro, also called the glare wheel. And when I bought it, it said glare wheel, but I knew it was a Mercane, as you can see on there. I don't know, like I said, they all come from China basically, so white label, people put their names on it, but everyone knows the Mercane WideWheel Pro. It has 500 watts in the rear, 500 watts in the front. I cannot remember what size the battery is. All I can tell you is this battery is excellent on this bike, or excuse me, the scooter. It has, now I have 78 miles on this now. It has a light in the front, built in right there. It's okay, it's not bad. Acceleration on it is pretty fast for what it is. It's much quicker than my electric XP and my Rad Power Mini, both of them. Power comes on pretty quick on it. It will maintain it. It goes up hills with ease because it's 1,000 watts altogether. Now I've heard with these you can technically disconnect. There's a wire that runs. You can disconnect the front motor and just use 500 watts in the back if you wanted to conserve your, get more range out of it. However, I don't do that. Why put the strain on just one motor when I have both? And honestly, it gets really good range. I've gotten 35, 40 miles on it. So it has no air in the tires, which is a plus. Tires are wide wheels, just like in the name. Disc brakes in the front, disc brakes in the back. The hardest thing on these is keeping these brakes adjusted correctly. It's the same as most electric bikes that I've had, the budget ones. I hate the brakes on them because you always have to adjust them, Sometimes they rub, sometimes they don't. You got to adjust them all the time. It's no different than this than it is with the electric XP. They're no different than I think it was with my Rad Runner 1. And it'll probably be no different than what it is with my Rad Power Mini. Check that out. In the back. And in the front. Cool. It folds down, of course. It's fairly heavy. It's got a big old battery in it. I would recommend this if you're traveling to get one like this, or one with, I like it because I don't have to worry about flats. That is one thing, but I really wish I had taken this with me to Oregon and Washington. Because you can fold it up. It's easy to hide in your car. When you got in your car, you go into a store, fold it up, put it in the cart, and just roll and do your grocery shopping, and it's with you. You ain't got to worry about it being stolen or anything. It has economy mode, and it has power mode. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see here. Let's see what it's showing. I think it's showing it. And then economy mode. Economy mode is excellent. Even on economy mode, it is excellent. It go 20 miles an hour on that. 25 to 27 on power mode, and power comes on a little quicker, but economy mode is no slouch. Excellent scooter. I highly recommend this for people to buy this. It's a little on the more expensive side. I can't remember what I paid for it. I want to say $2,000, but it might have been $1,500 is what I actually paid for it. Has a light in the back. Then, I don't know if you can see it. It lights up when you hit the brakes. Might not be able to see it, but the brakes, when you hit the brakes on it, it lights up. Like, to really look at that low down. How it looks. It's a good looking scooter. Oh, you see what I did here? I took one of my old bike bottle holders, put it on here. It ain't going nowhere. 2 zip ties. It's right there. It ain't going nowhere. Perfect. Of course, you can't carry nothing else on it. I wouldn't recommend it. I just carry a backpack on me. It came with, I believe it came with that belt. It did, because I still have one extra from the electric XP, which I didn't have one with it. People say, oh, it comes with one. It didn't come. Mine didn't come with one. And I looked all through it. But anyways, beside the point. As you can see, it's a good looking scooter. 1,000 watts, 500 in the rear, 500 in the front. Big old battery on the bottom. The only thing you got to worry about when you're riding it really is be mindful it's a wide wheel bike, so it can, like little lines in the road and all that, it might start trying to guide itself down those lines. You can get a little sketch in the rear, going a little too fast, like on a turn and stuff, but you get used to learn. Once you start riding this, you understand it a little bit better. I think it's fun. If you're traveling a lot, or you're going to be doing traveling some cities or some beach towns and all that stuff, you want to ride around the little downtowns and all that, grab one of these because they won't take up much room in your vehicle, especially if you don't have that much space. If that's the length of it, with the handlebars folded down, it's pretty flat, easy to throw a cover over and hide in the back or whatever. Highly recommend this, everyone. This is a Mercane WideWheel Pro. I'm going to do a video riding it. I usually don't do videos of me riding it. It's not that big of a deal, me riding, unless I'm going somewhere interesting. But I'm going to go down this trail real quick and ride it. It's one of my undercover favorite modes of transportation. And I'd recommend that anybody who's interested in a scooter get one of these, or possibly this brand. No issues with it, but the brakes, and that's no different than my other bikes. You just have to adjust them all the time. Good, very good. Good range, definitely good speed, and not just good speed, great on hills. Way better than either one of my bikes going up hills. Easily it goes up them real good. Anyway, y'all, this is Frugal Panda. I just thought I'd do a quick updated review of the Mercane WideWheel Pro. I'll put a link in the description. Get it off of Amazon. There's other places. I'd recommend, though, when you get one of these, pay a little extra and get the 2 or 3 year warranty. I did because I didn't know, but I've had no issues with it. So anyway, I hope this helps someone out there. This is Frugal Panda. Frugal Panda's out.